If you want to make money online, then pay close attention. The first thing is to know that this will be serious work, just like a job outside the internet. If you are thinking about opening your own business, or if you just want to have an extra income, you will need to devote yourself to this. The good news is that you can start by working from home. This way, you don't need to rent an office, or spend time and money on commute. Another thing that you need to know is that there are many different ways to make money online. You can sell physical products, like clothes, smartphones, accessories, kitchen items, perfume, stuff for babies, toys, appliances, and everything else you can imagine. You can also use your skills to offer services. If you are good with graphics on your computer, you can design customized logos, or do some work involving photos and images. If you speak another language, you can give private lessons over the internet, or work with translation. Any freelance job that can be done over the internet, you can offer as a service, and make money. Another idea is to offer third-party products or services, and receive a commission in return for each deal that was closed. You would be like a salesperson, or someone who indicates customers to a company that offers a product or service that people are looking for. Today, many people are looking for courses and training to specialize, develop a new skill, or solve a specific problem. At this moment, it should be clear that there are many different ways to make money online. Now, it is a question of choosing which path you will take. And to help you in this, there is a special path, which any beginner can start to follow now, and start making money. And you don't even need any previous experience to make this work. If you want to know more details of this path, access the link in the description, right below this video. If you liked this video, click on like below, and subscribe to the channel. Good luck.